So we're lacking some lights in front of the Jeep where we sit in the driver and passenger area. We picked up this product from AZUTO, and that should hopefully help the situation. So the map lighting from AZUTO, it says it's a quick, easy install and it just sticks on. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. All right, just like other AZUTO products, the packaging is top notch. I'm gonna open it up. Everything always comes bubble wrapped really nice. This is the actual map lights. What else do we have? We have some batteries, and it looks like a strap. All right, so what comes in the box? We got the map light itself. Looks like nice LEDs. Click on, click off. Batteries go in here, it looks like, and then it's held on by 3M adhesive tape. And then there's an extra strap to strap along the rearview mirror and this, so if it does come down or fall from this tape not sticking, this will save it from scaring the crap out of you while you're driving. Looks like we have a little alcohol wipe to clean up the area and instructions on installing it. So the batteries are NLR1 batteries. I thought it was gonna be a AAA. It's definitely not the same thing. We looked them up on Amazon. You can get them in packs on Amazon, not a big deal. So this is what they look like. They're just tiny little batteries. All right, so it looks like the tools you'll need is just a Phillips screwdriver and then the provided batteries. We're gonna install those batteries right now. All right, so the cover's off. It takes the 3 batteries. The batteries do have a plus sign on the top of them. And then if you look in here, plus, minus, plus. So we'll get these installed. All right, so to turn them on, we just press once and it looks like it goes dim to brighter. Dim to brighter. And then to turn it off, you just press it once. Now that we've got the batteries in, let's go out to the garage and get it installed. All right guys, we're in the Jeep. We're gonna test fit it up to that area. So let's see what it looks like. Has nice cutout areas for your vents here. So you kind of, and it's contoured to that shape. So we can kind of feel exactly where it needs to go. Should look like that when we're done. All right, so from here, we're just gonna peel the backing off and we're gonna get it stuck in place. We're gonna take the alcohol pad and we're just gonna clean up this little plastic area. All right, so we peeled the backing off. We're just gonna get it back where we wanted it. So if you want extra security so it doesn't fall down and just like scare you to death, you can strap this little provided strap onto the back of it and it straps around the rearview mirror here. So I did want to tell you that this does work with vehicles with adaptive cruise rearview mirrors, so your rearview mirror box is a little bit bigger and it has the camera up here. And mine does not have that, so I have this open space here, but it works with both versions of that. All right, so we're gonna turn off all the lights and we're gonna give a test run and see how much light it actually produces. Completely dark in here, so we're just gonna hit the driver's side button, and that's how much light we're getting out of it. Turn it off, and just hit that once. Then passenger side, gives it a nice amount of light over here. And with them both on, you do get quite a bit of light. I mean, it's nice extra light, that's for sure. And then to turn them off, we just hit the button once. They just dim out. If you guys think this is something you need for your Jeep, I'll leave it in the description below so you can check it out on Amazon. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.